Let's talk about the power of the word shy. Let's talk about how much that word could actually literally damage your future. If you knew over here, my name is Cecilia. I'm a normal South African mama that about 3 years ago, the shy mom hiding behind the camera, that about 3 years ago realized that if I wasn't going to break this cycle, if I wasn't going to do something differently, I was going to stay stuck in the cycle of 15-hour shifts, putting groceries back on the grocery shelves, always telling my little girl no. Now, as a solo mama, that was not my wish for my life, but I kept on seeing these moms making money online, and I'm talking about big money, money I never in my life even thought would be possible for me to make. But I kept on thinking, "Ugh, I would love to be able to earn what they earn, but I'm so shy. I'm so shy to do this." Until my breaking point where I went to go and pick up my little girl from school. So she knew she was supposed to hurry so that I could get back to work. And it wasn't the first time that I rushed my child so that I could get back to work. And that specific day, she was like 5 minutes late. And my first reaction as an overwhelmed mom that needed to get back to work because I couldn't afford to lose that customer in my salon, my first reaction was to snap at my child. But as she got into the car, I realized she came to the car already crying. And I messed up my child's whole day. I messed up my teenager's day. And as Murphy wanted it to play out, I actually ended up working until I think it was close to 10 that evening. And my child fell asleep on the couch. And in that moment, my heart broke into 1,000 pieces. And I was like, Celia, is the word shy really going to be the thing that keeps you right here? That keeps you being the mom that overworks herself to the extent where you never see your child, where you stay the mom that snaps, where you never get into that position where you can actually give your little girl the life that she deserves. And it's there where I made the decision to start where I'm at. And where I was at that stage was, I didn't suddenly not become shy, but where I was at that stage was I decided that I was going to start by creating voiceless videos, more known as B-roll videos. And I hope this inspires the right mom today that's been holding herself back, that wants that change, that wants to break that cycle, but keeps on telling herself that she's too shy to do this. I decided to start creating content where I would literally be drinking coffee or walking in my garden or washing the dishes, but I would use text on screen and trending sound just to get my business off the floor. I made my first $1,200 that way, and then suddenly I realized, you know what, more moms need to know about this. Only then did I start speaking on these videos. And from there, it kept on escalating and escalating. There's a mom that needs to hear this today. She needs to hear that it's okay to start as the shy mom. It's okay to start creating content where you don't even speak. It's not okay, though, to keep on allowing those words, I am shy, to literally put a lid on the future that you could have. You've heard me speaking about this so many times this past week, where a 24-year-old literally in 30 days made over 400,000 Rand. Now, I'm putting emphasis on the 30 days where she made that 400,000 Rand, but that wasn't the first time. She's had month after month where she was making $10,000 and more, which is close to 200,000 Rand as a South African and a 24-year-old South African. Now, I myself is proof of being one of those moms that makes ridiculously loud money in the online space because I allowed myself to start where I was at. I didn't allow the words I am shy to literally kill the future that I could have. Now, if you would like to know where it is that I got started, where that girl got started, what it is that we are using to make this type of money, comment ready, and I'm going to send you over a free class that's going to break it down step by step, show you exactly what this is about and how it can actually work for you too.